Welcome to our tutorial on how to send multiple pictures on WhatsApp web chat using your PC with the new update. WhatsApp has introduced a feature that allows you to easily share multiple photos within your chats. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Begin by opening WhatsApp web on your PC. This will enable you to access your WhatsApp account from your computer and interact with your chats. Step 2. Once WhatsApp web is open, navigate to the chat where you want to send multiple pictures. Click on the chat to enter the conversation. Step 3. Look for the plus icon within the chat window and click on it to select photos and videos from the options available. Step 4. Choose the photos you wish to send by clicking on them and then selecting Open to add them to your message. Step 5. Lastly, click on the Send button to share the selected photos within the chat. By following these simple steps, you can now effortlessly send multiple pictures on WhatsApp web chat using your PC. Enhance your communication by sharing moments captured in images with ease. That's it. You've successfully learned how to send multiple pictures on WhatsApp web chat on your PC. Give it a try and make your conversations more visually engaging. Thank you for watching.